it's Kelsey. So I got my Monet order the other day and I wanted to show you what I got. So I ordered, I believe, 4 items or 6 items. I think it was buy 3 and then get 3 for free out of the list. So I'm super excited. So of course I had to get the black shampoo. Looks like a new fancy bottle. I love this stuff. It's so nice on my hair. It's with Rejuvenique, moisturizes and cleanses. It is awesome. So I got the black shampoo. I then got the Violet Lights, the anti-brass shampoo with the anti-brass toning mask. Never tried this before. I dyed my hair recently and I want the color to not go so brassy. So I'm starting, I've heard really good things about this. And it's not like any other purple shampoo. So I'm super excited to try these. Next, I got the Damage Repair Bond Fortifying Hair Leave-In Cream. So it says apply to clean, damp hair, and I'm pretty sure it's just like a leave-in conditioning cream, which I'm super excited about because I tend to get like dryness in the winter time. I'm super excited about that. It's a nice size bottle that'll last me a long time. Then of course I got the Champ dry shampoo. I love these cute little designs they put on this bottle. I've never seen that before. It must be new, but this is awesome. My hair, I can go like 4 days without washing it now before it gets greasy. This is the 2nd day, but I would probably put this in my hair the 4th or 5th day if I haven't washed. This stuff is great. Has no harsh chemicals, no propane, no butane, I think, but it's really good. Way better than all the toxic stuff that you buy at the drugstore and stuff. So this is the best stuff. Lastly, I got the Restore Leave-In Conditioner for dry, medium to thick hair. I would consider mine medium. It's not too thin, but I have a lot of hair, so I've always wanted to try a leave-in conditioner. So it's super awesome. It's kind of got a little pump there. Apply evenly to wet towel dry hair, and you put this in your damp hair and then you style as usual. So this is perfect. So that's everything that I got. So yeah, I'm super excited to try these out. I swear by Monet. It's done wonders to my hair. It's brought back curls that I didn't know I had. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good night. Bye guys.